Welcome back, everyone. Get ready to expand your taste buds. We're making a traditional Filipino dish today. I'm joined by the chef and owner of the Yum Yum food truck. Benjamin Pierce is the chef, and son Brevin Pierce. Oh, you're a Brevin, right?
I'm Ben. This is Brevin.
Yep.
He's the owner. I'm the chef.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I see what you did there. Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Well, you saw this truck in Florida, and you said, you know what, I'm going to bring some of that tradition here in Utah.
Right. Well, actually, the name we saw it in Florida. You know, everybody's world famous. You know, we cook for everybody. Dishes from our country served to everybody in the world. You know, so we got this particular dish right here is actually American inspired. You know, Clark Air Base was in the Philippines. They used the part of the pig, the good parts, and leave the head.
And
so,
then you needed to use the entire, you didn't want anything to go to waste.
Right, so now that's why they use that for this particular dish, but since we're in the U.S., we use the good meat.
The good meat. We don't use the parts and the bits of the pig. We're using the good part.
The good part
okay.
of the good part of the beef.
All right, the pork. Okay, how do we get started?
Okay,
we have
so
some
we're just
already cut up,
yeah,
right?
so we're gonna. This is all the ingredients we need. We need some red onions, yellow onions, green onions.
All the onions.
All the onions.
We put some butter on there.
Butter is going to be in there.
And actually, Chef, you have had your truck for how long?
We started in August of last year. We actually been serving food for over 10 years now in the fairs. And then actually my son, he's the one that said, maybe we should start a food truck because I'm tired of carrying all the equipment everywhere we go.
You're bringing it to the people.
Correct. So everybody always asks us if we have a restaurant, but we don't have a restaurant. Now everybody can just get all of this food every day if
Brevin,
you want to.
What is it like to cook with your dad?
I don't know. It's kind of cool, but I've been doing it since I was like 12 years old. Like you said, when we would serve in the
they're still babies.
Yeah, like the fairs. Instead of going around and playing, I wanted to spend my time working and cooking food.
Really? You liked this? You didn't want to play. This was your playroom.
Yeah.
Right.
The kitchen was your playroom. And now you're bringing traditional Filipino food and, again, an infusion of Americanized food, too.
Right.
What's been the response?
Lately since it's sunny, as soon as we got sun, we're so thankful actually to the people of
Utah.
northern Utah especially. I mean, they show us so much love. I mean, we can't ask for anything else. Everybody comes in, missionaries comes in, start speaking to us in Tagalog, and surprisingly, some of them don't have an accent. I'm like, whoa, you're from where I'm from.
Yeah. There you go.
But it's pretty cool.
Sisig, how popular is this dish?
This dish is actually really popular now. Back then it's not as popular, but now it's like everywhere you go. California, Las Vegas, all parts of the Philippines. Everybody got a different version of making this dish.
But Chef, you've got the best version.
We got the best one. Oh, you don't understand. People come to the truck and they're like, oh my gosh.
This is the dish.
This is the dish right here.
Is there anything else you provide at the food truck, like other things that
we got different dishes. This is one of the most popular ones.
So you make sure you've got full supply when you're out. Where do you guys go, Brevin?
So usually we stay like Layton or Davis County area, stay around Clearfield and Syracuse.
Okay. And where are you about? Like you just drive around? Do you tell people where you're going to be every day?
Yeah, so we post on Instagram and Facebook where we're going to be every day. We have like a couple usual spots where we like to go, like gas stations or Smith's.
Do you guys do parties and events?
Yeah, so we cater. All you have to do is just go to our Instagram or our website, and you could contact us that way and set up a catering event.
And we're actually having a promotion right now. You just do a 1 to 10 minute video, post it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube,
TikTok.
All the kids stuff that you use. I don't know how to use most of them.
And then what? People get something.
Yeah, and then
so you just post like a review of our food. if you don't want to come out to the truck, you could get a DoorDash.
Ah, yum. Okay. Father-son duo, the Yum Yum Asian food truck. Just go to our website for all the information, abc4.com/GTU, for the world-famous sisig dish. Yes, the best in the world. All right, up next, how to adopt a grandmother for Mother's Day coming up, Bri.
And then we're not done with the food. A simple but delicious lunch. We're making a fresh